big, beautiful, loving planet called Earth. It's that time of the week again where I do weekly tasks. So we're gonna do the rewind, and then we're going to do the updated version. Now, look, there's gonna be a few things that are gonna change with the new one, but I still have to go over the ones from the four from the 13th of May, which was last Monday, till May 20th, which is today, and that is. Let's just dive into it. Let's just get into this. So, continue reading War and Peace book. I did not do that, and I have not done that. Number 2 was watch as many movies from home as possible. I watched 7 total. Number 3 is continue watching Unwaxed Podcast YouTube channel, which I did. I got to about 72 videos, or 72 or 70. I can't remember. I have to go double check that, but it's somewhere between 70 and 72, or maybe it's 69. I don't know. I'd have to go and look. And then number 3 was go and watch Strangers Chapter 1 on Friday, May 17th in theaters, which I did. Now, here's what's going to happen. So that's everything that was set for weekly tasks from the 13th through the 20th. This week is going to completely be a little bit different than last week. We're completely getting rid of the book reading one because I haven't picked up that book in a while, and I don't know if I'm going to in the next 7 days. From today, May 20th, to Memorial Day next Monday, which is the 27th. Now, this is now the new number 1, which is watch as many movies from home as possible, which I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about. So, there are 3 movies on iTunes or Apple or whatever you want to call it these days that I want to watch. The first one is Poor Things. The second one is Happy Death Day to You with the number 2 as the 2. And then the third one is The Princess. Now, there may be other films I watch in that span of this week that I could watch, but those are the top 3 for me that I would like to watch. Now, that brings me to another point. I think I want to add maybe 1 or 2 shows that I want to watch in this new week. Tie that into the movies. Like, I would like to get through Selena's new season of her cooking show. I'd like to get through the new episode of Ghost Adventures, that being episode 2 in the next week, because that's on Wednesday. So that ties into that. Number 2 now is continue watching Unwaxed. I'm not saying I'm going to get through all the way through that channel and maybe go back and watch some other channels and then go on to the next channel, but hopefully I can get pretty dang close to finishing the Unwaxed podcast with Sistine and Sophia Stallone. We'll just have to wait and see how things turn out in the next week. And the next thing on here is go watch, there's a new movie called Furiosa that opens on Friday. I would like to go see that on Saturday, May 25th. It is a 2.5 hour film, and the start time is at 12:10 on Saturday. So there's that. Then the number 4 thing on here is go to the grocery store today, go to the pet store and get breakfast on Friday, and then go to see the movie on Saturday. So we got a few things we're doing this week that's outdoorsy, or not outdoorsy, but outside this room. Now, I don't know what's going to happen. I'm definitely not going to film the grocery store. I'm definitely probably not going to film at the movie theater or the pet store, but I am going to be doing things outside this room, starting today and going on Friday and then on Saturday, and then we're done with things outside for this week. So that's everything that was a recap from the 4 from last week, and then the 4 from this week, because we're getting rid of the book one and we're changing things around. And I will do that from time to time. I will change things around and make sure things are, the way they need to be. So with that being said, there are no birthdays today. The next time we have a birthday is tomorrow, the 21st. And that means we're only 11 days left of May. And next week's weekly test will be the last one to start in May and then go to June. So in today's you've got from the 13th to the 20th, which is the 20th is today, and then this new coming week is the 20th to the 27th, and then next week it'll be the 27th through the May 27th through the 3rd of June. So, I know that was a ramble. I apologize. And that does it. And bye-bye.